Hello everybody. Okay. Alright, let's start. Cool. Okay, so today, to be honest, I don't really know what I want to do for what I want to stream today. Maybe I'm gonna start to keep working a little bit with Cascadeur, which is the new animation tool that I've been using lately. I want to set up my character, and so the main three I got, which are the have an enemy, my main character, and the spirit. I would like to bring them into Cascadeur. There is a couple of things that I'm still not sure how to make, how to manage in Cascadeur. We'll see if we can find a solution for that. But to be honest, I'm really in a pickle there. But we'll see. Okay, so the first thing I want to find is, let's say, for example, I'm using, let's open a sample. Probably, let's go with this guy with the sword. So what I'm trying to find a way so that's right now for example, on a character like this, the sword doesn't seem to be following the hand. Hello, I just came to say hello because in my country it is already very late and I get up early. I'm using a translator. Hey, Mr. Santella, how you doing, man? Which country are you from? And thank you very much for coming by, saying hello, and I wish you I wish you a good night. And sorry if I'm being I'm streaming late for you. Hey, thank you for following. It ain't Gucci. Thank you very much. It's really appreciated. Oh, you're from Spain. Cool, cool. Which parts of Spain are you? Yeah, but I know that it might be in Spain. It might be. I think it's almost 1 a.m. Eh? It's midnight past. Eh? Okay. So what I want to try to do is to find a way to let's try to I know there is something I would love to understand how this constraint is working, but for now I am still having a lot of trouble. So let's see. I think if I remember correctly, if I saw that somewhere, you have to grab the triangle of the thing you want to attach. So in my case, it's the weapon. Oh, is it the triangle? Or maybe the box? Let's try it with the box. So this is my box for the weapon, alright? It's very late and I have oh, okay, so yeah. Go to sleep. Don't mess up with the exam. And good luck with that, man. Let's see. So I'm grabbing this box, and what if I'm also grabbing let's say I want to attach the box to this point here. No problem. Let's see, so I'm doing this command rig additional constraint points. Something happens. So we got something. So we got a constraint head main points that have been added. Good vibes. What if I'm putting that into a new track? So I had a quick talk with a developer from Cascadeur that's tried to explain me how to do this, and I already forgot a bunch of steps he showed me. I'm sorry for this guy. He took his time to show me this, and I'm forgetting stuff, but I think I have to put my constraint into this this track, and there is this Shift R thing I need to press, and I'm not really sure what it does. Okay, so alright, so several functions write into a single data independency. What the fuck does it mean? Oh wait, am I? Because I don't get it. Wait, so is it constraint points? So are we constraining wait a minute. Okay, let's try again. Let's try from clean. Don't save. Don't save, and I'm gonna open the same file again. So maybe I'm doing this in the wrong order. Maybe I should take all the points from the head and then the weapon triangle like this. Do constraint points. Okay. So okay, so let's put all these constraints into a track. Okay. Alright, and then press R and dynamic, let's make it active on frame. No. Wait. Oh my god, I think I found it. Okay, so I was doing this. Alright, so I was doing everything in the wrong order, it seems like. Man, that's perfect. That's perfect because okay. Okay, I've been doing this in the wrong order actually. I'm so glad I've been able to find this. I'm really glad I've been able. So okay, let's start again. Close, and this time. Okay, let's say that I want to attach the sword to the hand, even if right now it's not. So let's say I want to attach the sword to this hand. So I need to grab all the points from the sword, and I need to grab the triangle of the hand. So the hand, this one. No, not this, this one. Okay. Command regulational constraint points. Cool. Alright, so let's now bring all our constraints into a new track that I'm gonna call sword constraint. And okay. I need to active on frame, and I need to shift R this for some reason. And so now if I'm moving this, yes, oh my god, this is awesome. Okay, so that's so cool. I finally understand how this is working. So if I understand correctly, that would mean also that now it's following the hand, but I should be able to move that around. No, I can't. So if I want to move that around, let's say on frame 5. I should be able to grab. Let's put a F. Here we go. Okay. Okay, so Shift R, it's so that if I understand correctly, Shift R is so the constraint, it's to activate the constraint. So that here it's working. So let's say putting a keyframe on everything, moving the. So we got this. Okay, let's go with the Bayesian interpolation. So we got this, and let's say on frame 10 I want to have the hand here. Same thing, let's go with the Bayesian interpolation. So we got this weird movement, but let's say at this moment wait, whoa. No. So, okay, still following the, oh no. Ah, because, okay. I see, so I should be able to say, here we go. Okay, it starts to finally make sense. Cool. We have some weird. I can see the hand is a little bit moving here, so maybe it needs to have this. No. Okay, but it's fine. It's fine. It should be. It's gonna be fine. At least. Okay, and let's say that I wanted to have on this frame. I want to have. The sword that keep following the hand again. I would be like this, and now it's yes. Cool. It's all making sense, right? Okay, perfect. So that's mean now I feel like I'm ready to set up the. My hero, because the issue I had with my main character was that I have a lot of props and with a lot of different constraints that I wanted to keep. So let me open the let's go. It's in the assets row, character, anim, hero, and it's this one. Come on, buddy. Boom. So you see, right now I was able to wait a minute, it's missing something, I think. Okay, so first of all, what I'm seeing here is that I need to I'm gonna have to create a couple of new rig for this guy. So I'm gonna go back to my rig setup, because what I need is to add a couple of control. Ah, there is already. Wait a minute. There's already. Okay, now this one is gonna be different because actually this one I made the setup so that there is no thing like this. So actually, well, yeah, but I don't have any points, eh? Is it gonna be an issue? Or I think there is another one that's called constraint transfer. Okay, you know what? Let's try it. Let's try it. So I want the weapon to be attached to the hand. So let's go to our triangle. So the triangle, from what I've been told, is the triangle is the it's 3 points for each joint, each bone. There is 3 points. There is the what you could say the pivot point, the direction. So that's the direction the bone is going, and kind of a twist angle position. So with these 3 points, you could have it's giving you a plane, which give you the coordinates of your joint. At least it's how I'm understanding this. So let me go into the wait, where are the triangle? Rigged triangle here. I want the it's the left one. So this one. So doing this, are you okay if I'm doing command regulational constraint points? Yeah, you're gonna complain. Okay, so let's try the other one. So regulational constraint transform, and the parent object is gonna be the hand. So we got something. We got a constraint. Okay, so we got a constraint. Let's try again. So let's put this on a new track. Okay. Dynamic active on frame and shift R. So now if I'm moving, hey, it is working. So that would be how you do that for a box controller. Cool. Let me save this because that's important. All right, so I'm really happy to find this. Hey, Iyad Waras, how you doing, man? Good to see you there. Hello. That's really cool. So that's mean if I'm pressing Shift R, I'm deactivating the constraint. Yes. Shift R again, and now it's following the hand. Perfect. Does it work in like this? Yes. Oh my god, I'm really happy. And so if I'm putting a keyframe here and I'm saying Shift R, that would mean so here it's following, here it's stop following. Alright, perfect. I found it. Okay, so let's make a little bit of cleanup. So so this, I'm gonna rename this cons for constraint or constraint, and I'm gonna say sword to sword. So which one is the sword? I'm gonna go with big sword because it's more clear for me than just for sword 1 or sword 2. This one is gonna be the big sword, and the other one is gonna be the small sword. That's gonna be easier for me to know what I'm trying to do. So constraint big sword to hand. Right. And I'm gonna need another one. Okay, can I? Is it something that we can animate, like active on this frame and then? No. Okay. Right. So that's mean. Okay. Or on frame maybe? No. Okay. So I'm guessing I'm gonna have to make a track for each of the constraints. I'm gonna call this one, well, the same name, so CNSTR big sword yeah, big sword to hand, and I'm gonna deactivate everything here. I'm gonna save everything, and let's do now what I want is the make a constraint where the sword is actually following the holster in the back. So sometimes I want to have the sword that is put in the back, and that it's now following this thing in the back. So first of all, I'm gonna have to actually create a controller, I think. So let's go back to our rig, because I'm gonna need, unless I already did. No, I didn't. So let's go back to our rigging setup. Right. So I'm gonna have to find what it's called, weapon, no, holster. So this one is holster back. So I want this one. I want this one. I want to create a new controller with only the box controller. I don't want to have too much. It's just a prop, so I don't need too much element for that. Okay. And let's go add a rig element. So it's creating me this box, which I'm gonna be able to set up properly. So right there, let's scale this. Something like this. And let's do this while I'm at it. Let's do this for the one on the side. So this one, no, this one. Cool. Add a rig controller. Perfect. Something like this. Cool. I think I'm done. Yeah, just save the setup somewhere so that Where do I put that already? I know that I put that somewhere, but in anim maybe. Hero data. Here we go. So I'm ready to generate the rig. Visualizer, scale, manipulator. Oh, I think it's because yeah, I think I'm gonna be good. Alright, so we got this. Perfect. So now we have a controller for this. Perfect. So what I want is create this constraint. So I'm gonna grab this, and we're gonna grab. So yeah, let's go with a holster, and let's look at. Wait a minute. Sword holster back. This is the rig. So I don't have anything in the triangle section. We got a spine. So you're telling me that you don't create any so the triangle is only for. Oh, wait, I'm not sure to understand when the triangle are generated actually. Yeah, because I don't even see the props. So so it's probably because I didn't generate. I only generated the box. So we don't have any points, so that's why I don't have any triangle, which kind of makes sense actually. So let's save everything. Let's try if the constraint box to box is working. If it's that easy actually. Constraint transform. So the parent I want to be the holster. Cool. It's creating me a constraint. We're gonna rename this CNSTR sword, big sword to holster. Okay, we're gonna create another track. Yes, okay. Let me see. So if I'm pressing Shift R. And this guy I'm activate on frame. No. Yeah, okay. So this doesn't work, eh? Because fuck, it's this one. And now it's working. Nice. Very nice. So I'm guessing that's the no, eh? Okay. So because of the constraint, I can't play with that, but it would probably put that in the center. Yeah. Okay. So technically, if I wanted to snap this one to this, I would have grabbed this and copy the global position, right? Maybe disable the constraint. Grab again the so it's a little bit cumbersome, or it's really cumbersome, but it's probably something that we can. I know that there is a Python support also. That's probably something that also I'm gonna be able to, if I really want to set up so that it's snapping. I don't even, maybe there is already a copy paste. Wait a minute, maybe I can just copy and paste, and just no. Or maybe because I'm in local, or maybe if I'm copying fast in global. Here we go. So I'm realizing, okay, it is working. So now I can just do this, Shift R, and now, yes, it all starting to make sense. But I made a mistake. So I've been parenting that to the wrong. Apparently, I'm parenting that to the wrong one. So we're gonna redo it. What if I'm doing this? The command go to default pose. Yeah, okay, perfect. Okay, let's create another bond just for this one. I'm probably gonna have to do the same thing on the other side. But I'm really happy that I'm making progress actually. Yes, okay. So I need to create another constraint for the holster. Let's start with the holster number 2. So side 2. I want to create only box. Add a rig element. So obviously I don't like the fix rotation.
Purple soul to the ghetto boy, cool boy, real boy, true boy, yeah.
I think we're gonna be good here. Okay, so that's gonna be it for this one. And I want the holster bag 02 here. Let's add the rig element 2. Hey, this stream is actually lined up with my class. Good day there. Hey, Orex. How you doing, man? So, what is your class? Is it about rigging? Animation? Okay, so let's go with that. Again, I'm gonna export this so I don't lose the prototype rigging. Cool, I'm gonna generate the rig. Now just checking, yeah, it's following the correct one. Okay, so let's redo this constraint here. So I'm gonna delete this one, and actually let's delete the wait. No, it's not. I want to delete this one. Yeah. Okay. My classes in media and information literacy. One of my classes, so I'm studying at home. Information literacy. That's interesting. What does it mean actually? So I want to make a constraint out of those box. So let's go command regulational constraint transform. The parent is the sword holster. Okay, cool. What's happening there? Why can't I see anything in the okay. Okay. So I'm gonna rename CNSTR big sword to holster. I'm gonna put that into a new track. Same name. Cool. So now active on frame, shift R on the frame, so that's if I'm moving this, yes. So now we have the sword following the cool. So if I'm global, that will mean that I can do copy, Control C, Control V. Hey, no? Oh, because now I need to. Yeah, because I had the constraint activated, so I need to deactivate the constraint. Control C, Control V. Cool. Now I can activate the constraint, move that around. Perfect. Perfect. Basically it means everything about the internet, tackling from social media to anything related to cyber info. Wow. It doesn't feel like you take the easiest curses. That's a lot to cover, eh? Also some traditional culture into the mix. Yeah, of course, because if not, that would not be enough, eh? So you had to add a little bit more in the mix. Well, good luck with that, man. Seems like a tough one, eh? It's mostly simplified details. Okay, you already lost me. All right, but the sword, it doesn't. Wait a minute. That's that Ah, that's no good actually. Wait a minute. Okay. So why does sometimes sometimes the yeah, I forgot to so if I'm playing with the with this, we got some I'm guessing that I'm gonna have some issue with the auto posing. Not really that hard, it's just that it has a lot of topics packed into one subject. Really, wow. Anyway, can I ask what you are starting here? I'm trying to I find a new software to animate, which is really powerful in my opinion, especially for me, which I'm not an animator, so this tool is really, it feels like it's designed for people like me, which is the it's a tool that's helping people to animate. We'll say you see that I'm moving the foot here, and the software is trying to predict. So it's modifying a little bit all the character, trying to predict what kind of pose I want. So it's gonna, just by moving the hand, is also gonna move the torso and the pelvis, and rotating some element, and it really make the process of posing stuff more fast. So you see that I can make some animation really quick instead of moving bones one by one. It seems like there is a little bit of caveat here. Yeah, as soon as I'm playing with the pelvis, it seems like it's all broken. So okay, maybe I'm gonna have to do the constraint point thing actually instead. Hey Mayukaka, what's up, man? How you doing? I'm not really sure what's going on there. I have no idea, but it looks really cool. Ah man, so you don't hear me saying hello then? So I can say hello. So you can't hear me, but you can see me. That looks really convenient. It is. Yes, it is. Okay, enough fun. Let's grab everything back. And comment. What am I looking at? Oh yeah, the go default pose. Here we go. Okay. Hello Quantum Light, how you doing, man? Okay, should I try now? Yeah, I guess that's okay. We're gonna do it again just to so that I'm sure it's. I'm gonna save everything and we're gonna redo the rigging and the constraint for the holster. I just want to test something and make sure that it has nothing to do with that. So. But I need to put that behind my mind. So I'm gonna delete my constraint. So this one I'm gonna delete it. Then I'm gonna delete the track. Cool. So let's go back to rigging. Cool. So let's try again. So this one. What I want this time is to uncheck this only box controller. So I don't know how to. So you know what? The easiest way is gonna to. Hey, I can delete. Oh yeah, I have to go there. Delete it and redo it by again. So we're gonna add a rig element. But I need to select this. Pack 01, pack 02. It's this one I want. Pretty good, thanks. How about yourself? I'm doing very good, thank you. So there is this kind of excitement of using a new software, you know. All right, so it's giving me this, but I don't want. I don't want any. Where is it? I think there is a thing where you're saying that you don't want it to affect the physics simulation, and it's a kind of fulcrum kind of thing. I think it is. Prototype fulcrum group. Is it? Remove? Did I remove it? Frankly, I'm not really sure what I'm doing now. Okay. Just let's go with that for now. We'll check that for later. So I'm gonna grab this and I'm gonna rotate in local. I'm gonna bring back the rotation step like this. Let's scale this. Like this. I noticed we got active watchers in Twitch too. That's really good, honestly. Yes, it is, eh? It's really cool, eh? It feels like there is more and more people watching streams in an average number, which is really cool, which really great. I'm really happy. Yeah. It's keeping me motivated. So here we go. So here is my guess. We're not gonna do the other sword for now. I just want to check if this is working correctly. Here is my guess. If it's working, we should have a new ah, fuck, man. The fuck is that? What do you want? Set parents, crit points. The fuck is that? Non-type object has no attribute, null children. The fuck that mean? Is it because I messed up with the yeah, it's probably because I messed up with the prototype fulcrum group and I shouldn't have. So we're gonna reload the file. Damn, he's fake. She's fake. Hello Dominwit, how you doing, man? Good to see you there. I'm really thirsty. Give me 5 minutes. I'm just going to grab a cup of water. Yes, the MC is a she. I'm back. But yeah, she's a girl. At the beginning it was a boy, but I wanted to switch for a woman. I don't even know why. It felt like it. Okay, so let's try again. And this time, let's try to not mess everything up. So first of all, I want to delete this one. Delete rig element, perfect. Then I want to grab the joint here and add a rig element. Let's do a rotation in local. Wow, one too much. Okay, and just generate the rig now, please. Why? So if I'm delete this one and generate. Okay, so there is something wrong with this one. Are you doing I'm not gonna stop streaming on YouTube, Orex, so don't worry. If you want to watch on YouTube, you can watch on YouTube. It's not a problem. I'm gonna keep doing this multi-streaming things. The main reason why I'm streaming on YouTube too is because it's much easier for me to keep the VOD on my channel. It's like as soon as I click on the finish button, it's storing the video, and I don't even have to upload something on YouTube. So it's much easier for me to do this streaming on YouTube too. But the truth is, usually there is a little bit more audience on Twitch during the live stream, but YouTube is giving me the ability to store the VOD on my channel easily. Okay, so maybe it's because I selected the joint. I should have selected the joint on the outliner, maybe, like if I'm doing this, holster, back to, add rig element, like this, Generate rig. You don't want. Okay, maybe. Twitch surprisingly has better quality. Oh yeah? Okay, I guess that's another reason why it's better to live stream on Twitch, eh? Yeah, but YouTube is not there yet for the live streaming, I think. Okay, so maybe you can't create a rig element if the parent is just a box. That would be my guess. Let's try. Let's see if I delete this rig element and I'm selecting both of them. Thank you, Orex, for the following. Thank you again. I can honestly see everything much better. Nice. That's better then. Okay, so let's try this. Add rig element. Oh yeah, I need to do this for each of them. Okay, add rig element. Right. Generate rig. Ah, so now you want. So now you're okay with that. See, I knew it was something like this. So let's go back to our rig. I'm learning. Yeah, maybe I'll watch with Twitch from now on. Cool. Well, if the quality is better. Okay, so let's move that. Let's put that in the correct order. So something like. Wait a minute. Let's put that this way. And this. Let's give it a shape like this. And you around there. Huh? So you don't want to be scaled in this on the X direction? Okay. Okay, so generate the rig. Boom, it's done. I feel like the orientation is a little bit weird. The box has not been rotated for some reason. Okay. Okay, I'll check for that later. I just want to see if my rigging thing. So now I should have a holster thing in my triangle. Yes, here. And I should have this. All right. So now what do I want? I want to. Wait a minute. But I did it the wrong way actually. Oh no, now I need to do this. I need to do the same thing for the sword. Okay. Back to the rig mode. All right. There's channel point. Channel point? What do you mean? I don't know what it is. To be honest, there's a lot of Twitch functionality that I'm not aware. So all this hype train and stuff like this, I don't even know how it works and what it is. I saw that's happening a couple of times on some streamer I've been following, but I have no idea what it is. I might be too old for this. Okay, so let's add the weapon. No, it's not weapon. It's not. Ah, yes, it's prop. That's the way I'm been putting this. Prop 01L. Okay, add rig element. Cool. So if I'm doing this and then this one is way too big. Yeah, let's go with this. Generate. And it's putting this, or it's weird. It's not. Okay, I'll say that later. At least, yeah, at least it's working kind of the way I want. Okay, so I'm gonna grab all the points of the sword. Okay, this I'm gonna. Okay, now first of all, I need to clean up. You can go away. So that you can go away. Now I'm ready to do my constraints. So let's grab all of this. Let's grab my holster triangle. Which is this one. Ah, fuck. And let's do this command regulational constraint points. Cool. Now it should create a couple of constraint stuff. It does. Okay, I'm taking first. What are you taking first? What do you mean? Let's create yeah, okay, let's create a constraint track. I'm gonna call this CNSTR sword to holster. And let's all put them on active frame. Shift R, and now. Aha! What is happening there? Oh, you just gifted one share, one subscription. Thank you very much, Orex. That's really sweet of you. So that's great. And it's Dominwid who got the the gift. That's super cool, man. It's really appreciated. Nice, nice, nice. All right. So now it needs to work, right? So after that, it has to work. And let's check this. So, if I'm grabbing this, come on, buddy. Oh, my computer is really sluggish right now. Come on. Okay. This is... everything is moving around. Cool. If I'm moving this... yeah, it's not following. Patreon didn't have any method for my country. Seems like Twitch solved the problem. Oh, I didn't know about that. I didn't know that you have some... there is some country restriction with Patreon. But thank you very much, man. It's really appreciated for your support. Wait. So I'm not sure what's happening here. So the sword is following this. So let's say, for example, let's say, for example, I want to grab my sword box. The sword box is too small. Not this one, the prop. This one. Okay. If I'm copy this in global, past. Yeah, it's not really properly following the. I forgot to put the Shift R. So the rotation seems to be messed up. I think it was even better before I did this. So I'm gonna close everything. I'm not gonna save, and I'm gonna reopen what I had before when I was doing the constraint transform from one box to the other. So I was there, and I was like, this is now following. Okay. Okay, I guess it's gonna be good enough because right now I don't see any solution for this. So when I'm working with boxes, and from what I'm understanding, when you are working with boxes, you are working in F key. So everything works great. I could have done this earlier when actually tried Twitch. Don't worry, man. There is no problem. I really appreciate the. I really appreciate that you did it anytime. That's super cool. Right, but then when I'm playing with the when I'm playing with the auto posing, it's all messed up. for some reason. And I'm not really sure why it's happening. So for sure it's gonna be annoying.
以后我再也不到这儿来了。
好了，别生气了，我请你吃饭去啊。
But it's already better than when I had nothing. There's probably something that I need to... I could try to dig into the node editor, even if the node editor is a beast, and I don't understand nothing for now. But there is probably something that's the relation with the physics and the constraint. But I know that the constraint also is in alpha, so might be something that's it might be something that still needs to be improved. Maybe it's not just me that's doing something wrong. It's maybe the developer has some improvement that's already on plan. Okay. With that being said, alright, the last thing I want to do is I want to create also a constraint from the hand to the sword, and this one I'm gonna have to do this with points. And the reason why is that I want it to work with the I key. Let me grab... So, let's see if I can do this. I'm gonna save everything. So let's see. I'm grabbing all of this, plus this. Then I'm doing a command rig additional constraint points. It is working. So we got a couple of constraints that has been created for each of the points have been selected. Cool. So now we can create a track. Cyan str hand to sword. Okay. Dynamic. We're gonna put everything on active on frame, and we're gonna press Shift R. So normally, if I'm moving this, yes. So the reason why I want to do this is because I want to be able to do something where I'm putting the hand to my sword like this and say now the hand is for no? Oh yeah, because I need now to do the big sword to the holster. Here we go. Here we go. Cool. No, it's too bad that it's too bad that it doesn't follow the physics stuff. but at least I'm close enough to something. So I'm guessing I wouldn't be able to move this one, yeah, because it's been constrained. But that means the constraint is working with the auto posing, which is great. I wasn't sure that it would be working, but actually it does. Yeah, okay, so that's, you won't allow me to do this, but I'm okay with that, I understand. Okay, oh boy. So we got some weird stuff going on there. I'm guessing that's everything that's is around the torso. It's tricky. It's not gonna be perfect, eh?
根本就待不下去。反正我就是不想待在这个国港，就是不想待在这个不和平的地方。
It's not gonna be perfect. Hey, more 001. Hello, it's going with Cascadeur. Okay, that looks funny. My humor is broken. Yeah, it's weird, eh? The way you move the torso, it remind me of that one time you messed up the animation and show it to us for the love. That's the thing, when you're doing animation, there's always a at what point it's gonna be funny. And it's happening more when you are tired and you're doing a lot of mistake, and usually it's the moment where you are ready to laugh about anything that could happen. Yeah. So this, yeah, okay, so this I can't move. It's really too bad that I can't. Wait a minute, why this is all the way? Okay. I'm not really sure what's going on with this. Because it's following the spine. Okay, so this I understand. It's too bad that the constraint is not following the Okay, that's good to know. Let's finish this and let's do the same thing for the other sword. Yeah, I think it was a spinning animation that never stopped, and the character was stuck on the ground, and it was like he was trying to make a hole in the ground and spinning into the ground, trying to find a way, digging a tunnel, something. Okay, let's create the last constraint. So I want to constrain this to this. Let's go command regulational constraint transform. The parent is gonna be the holster, and we're gonna put that. We're gonna make active on frame and put that. First of all, let's rename this. CNRCR small sword to holster. Create a track for this one. Okay. Oh, you find the special emoticon, eh? That's only for the subscriber. That's a rare item there. Also, you're really discovering Twitch, eh? Seems like you're coming for, even Even farther than me, eh? Yeah, the trick is you gifted a sub to someone else, but yeah, no, you are subbed. Are you subbed? I don't even know. But did you yeah, okay. Okay, so maybe you made a mistake, yeah, and you gifted someone instead of subbing for yourself. I don't know if I can give you a. It was a channel point. That's the thing. The channel point. I'm not sure what it is exactly. I guess it's good. I guess it's mean more channel point is better than less channel point, I'm guessing. No, but you already done one, so don't worry. But I don't know if I can give you access, even if you didn't pay it for anything. I don't think Jeff Bezos is gonna allow me to do this. Let's see. Can I give you access to a chair or something? Gift a sub. Yeah, I don't think there is an option for that. Sorry, man. Oh, did my camera froze? Oh, no, it's fine. Yeah, I could give. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, I'll check later if I can do something. I'll check that after the stream. Alright, let's finish this. So I did my constraint. Now I want to check if it's working correctly. So I should be able to do this. Now rotate this, and the sword is following. Perfect. Let's do the same thing with the hand. I think Twitch doesn't allow that, honestly. Yeah, it's might be like too easy, I guess. For it might makes Twitch losing money. So yeah. But anyway, if you, okay, so but the good thing is you gain access to this this emote, and the truth is that's the only thing you that's the only thing that the subscriber have, that's the other doesn't have. So don't worry, you got everything that's the other subscriber already have. So you don't even have to subscribe actually. You already have all the loot. I don't want to make I don't want to restrict people, trying to kind of force people to subscribe to the channel and put you know, stuff behind the paywall. The only thing is just this emote, and that's it. That's gonna be enough. Okay, cool. So now I want this to follow the triangle hand. So let's go and let's grab the, where it is, point, which is triangle. So this time, yes, this one and this one. This one and this one. Cool. Let's do a constraint. Okay. Let's rename this Cyanastia small sword two hand. That in the track. Yes, good. I'm gonna rename this big sword actually. It's my first time discovering Twitch. I'm feeling a little bit adventurous now. I discovered this sub option. Yeah, I remember the first time I discovered Twitch. Also, I was even more lost than you are. Cool. So I'm putting this hand. Let me see. Shift R. And now it should follow the hand. So if I'm grabbing this, yes, cool. I think we are ready. Let's put everything into a folder. Can I do that? I'm gonna call this weapon constraints. Click and drag. Yes. Okay. Cool. That's a good setup, I would say. Let me rename also everything. So like this one is renamed correctly. Everything that is called constraint, I want to rename. Oh, no, you know what? No, it's fine. I want to rename that actually. Okay, so I guess this one is done. I don't know why this one is up in the air. Is there a reason for that? I don't know, you decided to go up in the air for some reason. Are you gonna be annoying about that? I'm guessing you're gonna be fine. Okay, so now if my system is working, it should be like if I'm Shift R this and Shift R this, now I should have the sword following the... No? What did I do? Big sword to hand. And small sword to hand. Ah. So this one doesn't work. Oh, it's probably because I broke it because yeah, I'm guessing I broke it because I redo my rig. So I deleted the rig element and recreated it. So it might have broken the yeah, it's making sense. So I'm gonna redo it. So let me grab this and I'm gonna delete it. Same for the track. Let me grab the box. Let me grab the no, the hand triangle. Damn, Twitch feels really interactive. Yeah, it's addictive, eh? When you start to get into it, it's really addictive, eh? Oh, but I didn't even pay attention. But look, Oryx, now you got into the you are the top gifter of the channel. We can see your name, even if my My font is really crappy, we can't read anything, but if you look at the bottom, it says that the top gifter is already Orex. So I guess that is good. You are famous now. Is that what I mean? Well, the good thing is, thanks to you and thanks to your gift, now you helped me to test if my setup was working correctly and if this was displaying the proper name. So yeah, thank you for that. So that it is working. So that's at least that's a good thing, eh? Okay, so I want to grab the triangle, this command constraint transform, and the hand's gonna be the parent. Where are you? Here. Let me rename this CRTR big sword to hand. Active on frame. And okay, cool. So Shift R, let me see. Okay, so now it's working. Cool. So now if I wanted to animate this, it would be working. It would be working, and the actually the sword is following properly the hand this time. No weird shits happening with the physics. It's expected, I guess, because it's a simple link with the hand. But the one with the holster, where there is a constraint for the sword that is following the holster, and then there is a constraint for the hand that is following the sword, and then there is this physics and the I key and all this stuff. Yeah, this one is it's a little bit tricky, eh? So it was a test sub then. Exactly. Yeah. It was to test the system actually. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna say for this guy it's gonna be good enough. It's not perfect, but I don't know if I can fix that. There is a way where maybe I can dig into the node editor and see if there is something I can try to fix with the node editor. There is probably a way to do that in node editor, but I feel like it's a little bit over my capacity, to be honest. The node editor is really scary for me for now. I might have to wait for a little bit of documentation. This update is really it's really new, so the documentation for the node editor it's like it's new from I think a week or two or something like this. So it's really a recent update. So it's we're probably gonna have more documentation for the node editor, and then I will be able to dig into it. But right now it's a little bit scary for me. Okay, let's save everything and let's bring the let's do this for the spirit actually. Let's see if we can rig the spirit. Oh, so now the legs is this is came back to the fact that this is a little bit random is a little bit scary for me, but we'll see how it works later. Okay, let's close this. Save. Sorry, save like this. Right, and let's bring the spirit. So the workflow I like to use is the bring the rig from Unreal, so that I'm making sure that's the when I'm gonna import the animation to Unreal, I'm gonna make sure that's the it's really exactly the same rig between Unreal and Cascadeur. So that's why I'm opening Unreal. I wonder how much that would cost if you sold it as a NFT. I have no idea, but I'm not really interested in NFT. It's not really something that's I know that there is a war today with NFT. That's you are either really against or really supportive. There is no gray area, you know. It's like everybody's biting at each other. The thing is, I'm not really sure that's the NFT exists for the good reason, which it makes me a little bit cautious, to be honest, right now. But yeah, there are a lot of memes around it, especially the screenshot one. Yeah, I saw that. I saw that. Okay, so let's bring this guy and wait a minute, how? What would be the best way? No, maybe I'm gonna have to do this by okay. No, instead for the spirit, because it's made of several parts and each of them are skeletal. It's not like there is one skeletal and several static mesh. I don't think it would be the best way to go from Unreal and export several skeletal mesh actually. So instead, let's do an export from Blender actually. Come on, buddy. You can do it, Blender. Open, open, open. Good. Alright. Let's find our rig of spirits. So the stand is probably... where did I put you? Is it in... base? No. That would be weird. Add-in. Anim stand. Okay. Before exporting this, do I want? No, it's already okay. No, I'm gonna export it as. So I need the armature. I need to make them selectable. I need this. This one, and this one. And let's export this one. Export with a preset of export. No, to Maya. I'm gonna put that in a temp folder for now. Yeah. good. File import FPX, and I want to import a model. Let's go. How do we like that? It seems like everything went well. It's good news. Can I bring... Yeah, okay, so the PKE is... well, we're gonna fix that. Let me grab the mesh. It's both sides. Okay. Also... let's bring the texture. Character. Oh wait. Export. No wait. A character. Stem. Export. Maps. And for this guy, I need the sea light. Ah, but that's the thing. It's gonna use the alpha as a opacity. Is there a way to texture container? No. Start frame. Ah, that's too bad. He's using the okay. Do I want to export a new map just for Cascadeur without the alpha? I'll do it later. Let's try already. Okay, I'm gonna remove that. I'm gonna make sure that the rig is working before doing all this, actually. Okay, so let's save the file first. Save as. So we got into the anim stand, and I'm gonna put that here. I already forgot the naming convention. And add this one. STND for stand. Save. It's been a long time since I've seen the stand. Yeah. It's always good, and when you're watching him, he's really great. Cool. So now I'm ready to go to my rig. So this one might be a little bit tricky because we don't have two legs, we just have one kind of tail. So I think I'm gonna use the quick rigging tool, but we're gonna skip the legs instead. Well, that's the thing. Do I want to? No, because I don't even have a foot. So we're gonna skip the legs, but we're gonna set up this. Oh, okay, so the spine is gonna be the pelvis. This we don't want. The tail, it's no tail, please. The spine one's gonna be my stomach. I never know the spine 02 or the spine 03. Let's go with the spine 02 for the chest. Then the spine 04 for the neck, and the spine 06 for the head. That's a lot of nodes. Yes, it is, eh? Am I correct? Is it actually how you call those dots? Nope, not really. It's either joints or bones, depending on the which software you're using. In Blender, it's called bones. In Maya, it's called joints. But I'm sorry, I don't know any software that's calling that a node. But I understand you. Even if you're using the the wrong term. I still understand what you mean. So we could say that's just for us. It's gonna be nodes. I'm okay with that. All right. So the clavicle, it's gonna be the shoulder. And yeah, but that's the tricky part. I don't know if it's gonna work properly. Yeah, it might. Okay, let's try, but it might be messed up. If I'm going upper arm, so this one is the twist bone, the forearm. I think I've learned something. Then it is called joints. Let's go with joints. And okay, now the leg. We said that we don't want to do anything for the legs, but we have some fingers, so let's go with the fingers. So for the thumb, we have thumb 1, thumb 2, thumb 3. Then we got the index. So we have index 1, index 2, index 3. The middle one. Oh no, that's the ring. So let's go with the ring here. The pinky. A much more detailed one is body parts, although it doesn't fit. Yeah, this one I like it less. Body parts, it's even, it takes time to say, you know, but it sounds funny. You're right. But no, I'm not sold on the body part. And the middle. Cool. Let's mirror this. So the original is gonna be slash underscore L, and the mirror is gonna be underscore R. So if I'm pressing create mirror object, no? Ah. Oh no. For this one I use the .L. Oh, that's okay. I understand. So when you export from Blender, it's .L, but Unreal is converting in underscore L. Okay, so that's why. I don't know if it's gonna be an issue for later. This kind of inconsistency. But at least now it's filling up, it's working. Let us agree on joint then. Okay, let's do that. We're gonna agree on joints. If I could, I would be shaking your hands now. It's a deal. Okay, so I'm gonna export this so I can save this. Where should I put that? Here? In data? Let's go with let's click for the data. Quick rig stnd. Zero 1. Let's go with that. Create the prototype. I think we're gonna have an issue with the shoulder. So far so good. Actually, so far so good. Well, let me see what needs to be fixed. Maybe this one. Yeah, so far it's pretty good, although okay, fine with that. I'm already gonna export this, even if it's not done, just in case that I got a crash or I'm messing up with something. Okay, so now for what do I want? For the wings, what do I want to do for the wings? Let's start for the tail first. For the tail, I think I got something called spline IK, which would work well for that. But I never used it before, so we're gonna bring the documentation just to check how it's done. So let's see. Here is the documentation for Cascadeur, the rig, advanced rigging. I think it's there. Non-humanoid character, that could be interesting. Controller hierarchy. There's a lot that I could read. Advanced rigging technique. Twist bone, rigid body offset. Okay, there's a lot that I need to read. That could be really interesting. I didn't read all of this. Where is the spline IK? I'm pretty sure I saw that somewhere. Additional hinge connection. Is it this? No. Secondary element. Okay. Tools maybe? Tools? No. Spline IK. Spline IK. Here we go. It was in animation tool. Okay. That's a little bit weird. I would have put that into the rig documentation. Honestly, seeing that model again compared to the older version, the improvement though. Yeah, eh? Much better, eh? Okay, I'm gonna put that onto my second screen. And let's see. Using spline IK allows you to create curves for controlling joint chains. Long chain of joints are often used for things like tails. Exactly, that's exactly what I have right now. Such chains can be cumbersome to animate as they include lots of controller and rigid bodies. There is, however, a way to make things simpler. Thank you, Cascadeur. During rigging, create a few 2 or 3 rigid bodies for the entire chain. Only 2 or 3? See rigging complex skeleton to learn how this can be done. Okay, so now I need to read complex skeleton. Okay, you know what? It's been 2 hours I've been streaming. Maybe I'm gonna stop there and I'm gonna do my homeworks. Yeah, I'm gonna do my homeworks after the stream, outside of the stream. I'm gonna read a lot on the documentation for the rigging. But it seems like I'm going for a lot of job while the stream is almost done. So I'm gonna stop there. But it's pretty good. It's I found a way kind of to constrain some elements to some joints. Let's say joints. So that's Orex is happy with that. But yeah, it's not perfect. It doesn't work in all situations, but at least it's way better than what I have before the stream. Yes, I'm discovering Cascadeur. It's been like a week or two that I'm playing with this. Are you discovering Twitch? See? We are in the same boat, man. But yeah, end of the stream. Thank you very much for being there. Thank you particularly Rex for subbing or for gifting a sub. And I know you only just did that for testing the system. I know. It was the only reason. But yeah, I'm hoping that you'll be there for the next stream. And I wish you a good day, good night, depending on when or where you're watching this stream. See you soon. Thank you. Bye.